going on? I'm showing everybody your housey. Oh, yeah. It's very nice housey. Oh, this is this new cage. This is the one we're just starting this one. When the summertime comes, oh boy. Hey, once the summertime comes, there's a couple of their babies. He's got the babies in there and starting to make a nest with the millet seeds. Hey, I threw all kinds away, didn't I? Yeah. Oh, there. It's almost their birthday. They're going to be 8 years old. Daddy's going to be 50. Yeah. COVID's going on. And this is March 14th, 2021. There they are. They're actually on an exercise break. Yeah. They got the weekend off. And they got a whole bunch of days coming off all throughout this month in April. Yeah. Because Easter's coming and all kinds of stuff and bathies and birthdays and weekends off. And holy crap, they're just rest time all over the place. So there they are. Happy birthday coming, babies. You're going to be 8. Yeah. See how beautiful they are? Oh, yes. White one is Tornado. That's sounding the alarm right there. And there's Hissy. She's hiding right in there. Let's see. Hissy. Okay, that's not... Yeah. Okay, not too close. And say hi. Yeah, good boy. Okay. I love you. It's everybody show them your kids. Yeah, and look, there's their purse. That's for the exercising. Yeah. There we go. Hey, you know why all the paper's on the wall? Because they like to lick the wall. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness.